Will SMCI be able to deliver servers for Google and Broadcom TPUs? Short answer, technically yes. Supermicro Computer can build servers for TPUs or any custom accelerator, but whether they will depends entirely on Google's and Broadcom's business strategy, not SMCI's engineering capability. Let's unpack that. 1. Can SMCI technically build servers for Google or AVGO TPUs? Absolutely. Supermicrocomputer specializes in rapid engineering, high volume rack scale integration, and early to market designs, which is why they're always first with systems for NVIDIA H100, H200, NVIDIA B200, GB200, AMD MI300, MI350, Intel Gaudi, custom liquid cooling configs, and hyperscaler-specific designs. From a hardware standpoint, TPUs are just another accelerator. If a customer wants them integrated into a server chassis, SMCI can build the chassis, configure power and cooling, design the rack layout, integrate networking/SAN, and handle liquid cooling, a major SMCI strength. So, capability is not the issue. 2. The real question, do Google or Broadcom want SMCI to build their TPU servers? Google's TPU strategy. Google has historically kept TPU hardware in-house and tightly controlled. They design TPUs themselves, they build most TPU pods internally, and they use custom racks inside Google Cloud data centers. Hyperscalers like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta prefer vertical integration for their crown jewel chips. But there have been recent signals that Google might loosen this. Growing AI demand is straining internal capacity. Google Cloud wants more external enterprise adoption. Outsourcing some server manufacturing could speed deployments. So it's possible, but not currently confirmed. Broadcom AVGO TPU manufacturing. Broadcom builds hardware for Google's TPU ASICs, custom accelerators for large hyperscalers, and specialized AI chips and networking ASICs. Broadcom itself does not make server chassis. They only make the chips. If Google or another hyperscaler asked for rack scale integration, SMCI could absolutely be a partner. But Broadcom can't greenlight SMCI alone. The hyperscaler, Google, decides. 3. Why this speculation popped up recently? You're right. SMCI started trending November 28th, 2025 because of chatter about potential Google TPU partnerships, investors looking for undervalued AI infra plays after a sellout, and SMCI's reputation as the fastest OEM to deliver new AI server designs. And of course, that classic SMCI retail favorite rumor, TPU partnership equals revenue explosion plus short squeeze fuel. Nothing is confirmed, but the interest makes sense. 4. What would need to happen for SMCI to deliver TPU servers? For SMCI to officially ship Google or AVGO TPU systems, 1. Google must authorize a third-party OEM for TPU rack integration. 2. SMCI must sign a design partnership agreement. 3. Compliance with Google's strict networking and power requirements. 4. Production scaling in SMCI's US or Asia sites. And 5. Likely a confidentiality period before public announcements. If this ever happened, it would be a massive market moving partnership. Bottom line, can SMCI build TPU servers? Yes, easily. Is SMCI currently doing it? No public evidence, no confirmed partnerships. Could it happen? It's possible, especially as AI demand outpaces in house hyperscaler capacity, but Google historically keeps TPU systems internal. Would it be a huge catalyst? Absolutely. Probably SMCI's biggest catalyst since NVIDIA H100 alignment.
Okay, for the session of yesterday, the 28th of November, SMCI gained 0.59%, roughly a third of its average volume crossed that tape. That yesterday wasn't wasn't a full session, and the stock is trading at a slight premium to its volume weighted average price. Volatility is expected to get stronger slightly in the coming days on the option speed, based on the fact that, amongst other things, that the stock is also decently quite well shorted. Short interest of around 17%. Let's have a look at the monthly December 19 contracts. They tend to give us they tend to represent a better picture of what the sentiments of option traders are. Can we really say they are? I think they are bearish. Yeah, option traders are bearish. You can see that their open interest, I think, surely are more here. Easily. Yeah, easily. Yeah, they are bearish here. They are bearish on option speed, especially in the very short term. Okay, underlying trend is now neutral to bearish. Okay, the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that it might consolidate with an accommodative bias. Okay, so that's consolidating, but ascending, especially especially towards the 19th of February. After that, it might actually go into a more of a sideways movement. Projections are currently saying 49.3, 49.43. It is a pivotal projection. The algos have been reiterating it since the middle of October, since the 17th of October. So if it closes above this moving average, there's a good chance, rather the chance of it retesting 52.04 may improve. Okay, we could just try and see what the probability of it retesting $35 is. Statistically very high. That of 36, okay, not high at all, not high. Okay, so those are just the hurdles it has to scale to get to 49.3, 49.43. There's also another pivotal projection that is currently not in play. The algo stopped reiterating it as of the 30th of October, and that is 46.08. So it has a couple of resistances there that the algos are pointing out. As a matter of fact, three of them. You can see 40. Okay, let's repeat them. Right, let's list them. 49.43, 46.08, and 48.20. Those it has a decent amount of resistance around that region. Yeah. On its 4-hour chart, let's see what we have. Okay, extrapolation is saying that it might continue the downtrend, might continue the contraction that a post day downtrend. It caused a post day, yeah, the downtrend. If not, yeah, okay, let's say the downtrend, the post it as of the 21st of November. That was Friday, and the algos are saying that it might resume it from at least Monday the 1st, and maybe might attempt to bounce again from the 4th. Okay, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. And projections are currently saying 34.12, 35.24, 35.94. Okay, so let's see how it goes, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.